Welcome to Metaneering Ministries. This sermon was written by Minister Alexandria Armour. My name is Charlotte, and I'll be delivering this wonderful message today. Is your faith fly-by-wire? Computers are systematically used to process flight control inputs from the pilot or autopilot that correspond to electrical signals. How does this relate to your faith? The fly-by-wire system, a term used in aviation, is a control system that uses computers to process flight control inputs from the pilot or the autopilot, which correspond to electrical signals. In faith, this system can be seen as a metaphor for relying on external influences or intermediaries, such as religious leaders, family traditions, or societal norms, to guide our beliefs rather than taking personal responsibility for our faith. Just as the pilot's role is crucial in the fly-by-wire system, your role is vital in your faith journey. It's much lighter and less bulky than mechanical control, enhancing fuel efficiency and design flexibility even in older aircraft, making it an important invention. But blind faith in this system can be dangerous, leading to a loss of personal control and critical thinking in your faith journey. It's crucial to know where and how we constantly apply our beliefs, particularly in our technologically advanced world, where we're just a click away from a vast array of information and influences that can shape our beliefs. This can be both a blessing and a challenge for our faith, as it provides us with unprecedented access to spiritual teachings and communities and exposes us to conflicting beliefs and distractions that can undermine our faith. It's a gift to notice a state, creation, or condition you don't want, such as a negative belief, a harmful habit, or a toxic relationship. Consistent focus on such matters transforms your essence into a hazardous fly-by-wire concept. This analogy underscores the power of our thoughts and beliefs in shaping our reality and the importance of self-awareness in recognizing and changing these undesirable states. Just as the pilot is crucial in the fly-by-wire system, you are the pilot to your path and purpose in life. Your input, beliefs, and actions are critical to where you're meant and want to be. This analogy underscores your agency and the importance of your role in shaping your life. It's a powerful reminder that self-awareness is not just a key, but a source of empowerment and personal growth, giving you the confidence to navigate your faith and life choices. There was a time in the world of aviation when the pilot's word and action outranked the entire crew who supported them and the passengers. We've learned a great deal since those times of pilot errors that could have prevented fatal accidents and saved all souls on board had those additional eyes been applied. This cockpit culture now has excellent training methods to ensure all roles have a say and play their intended role regardless of titles and flight hours. But such training does not exist for our faith. We may have well-meaning family and friends around us chiming in, but we know how to turn those comments and suggestions off in our minds and carry on anyway. Knowing that no one knows you better than yourself is all the reason in the world to take stock and inventory of what conditions, creations, and states of being you're allowing to influence the most important relationship you will ever have in this life. If you know you won't let anyone come into your home, relationship, job, or bank account and tell you what to do, the same should apply to how often you tune into your spiritual beliefs, make time for your spiritual practices, use your guiding principles in your life, and align with them. This practice of self-reflection is not just crucial, but a powerful tool that can guide you in mastering the art of flying by wire. By understanding the collective consciousness as Pinocchio and you, the woodcarver Geppetto, You'd completely comprehend future life experiences. There'd be no unpleasant surprises because you know the inputs and the corresponding results. This should motivate you to engage in self-reflection, as it can lead to a deeper understanding of your beliefs and actions, and ultimately, a more fulfilling faith journey. Thank you for listening, and please consider subscribing, liking, sharing and commenting.